Welcome to your daily dose of English by Langmaster. This video is for everyone who wants to speak English confidently while commuting. Let's dive in and practice over 120 practical phrases you can use every day. Asking and giving directions. Excuse me, where is the supermarket?
Go straight ahead for 2 blocks.
How do I get to the nearest ATM?
Turn left, then go along the street.
Would you mind telling me where the Blue Cafe is?
It's across the street next to the museum.
Is the hospital far from here?
No, go along this road and turn right.
Could you tell me the way to the cinema?
Take the second right, it's next to the post office.
Excuse me, where's the post office?
Go up the hill, it's opposite the hotel.
Is there a library near here?
Yes, go down this street and turn left.
Excuse me, is the hotel nearby?
Yes, just turn around, it's behind you.
Could you tell me how to reach the stadium?
Go to the end of this street, it's there.
Can you help me find the museum?
Sure, turn left at the traffic lights.
How do I get to Green Street?
Go along this road for 3 blocks.
How do I get to the train station?
Go straight, then go across the bridge.
Excuse me, where is the nearest cafe?
Go past the bank, it's on your left.
Would you mind pointing out the Good Heart Pharmacy?
Yes, go straight and turn left, it's on your right.
Walking on the street. Excuse me, is this Oak Street here?
No, it's the next street over.
Sorry, am I close to the station here?
Yes, it's just around that corner.
Could you please move your bike away?
Sorry, I'll move it right now.
Sorry, could I quickly pass through here?
Of course, please go right ahead.
Excuse me, may I pass through this way?
Sure, you can pass right through.
Can I safely cross the street right now?
Please wait, the traffic light's red.
Can we cross the road safely now?
Yes, the pedestrian signal is green.
Excuse me, would you mind if I go first?
Sure, please go ahead of me.
Could you please step back a little bit?
Of course, I'm sorry about that.
Be careful. A car is coming this way.
Thanks, I didn't notice it coming.
Be careful, it's slippery right here.
Thank you, I'll be extra careful now.
Watch your step, there's a hole here.
Oh, thank you for warning me.
Do you need help crossing the street?
Yes, that would be very helpful.
Can I carry your bag for you?
Thank you, that's very kind indeed.
Excuse me, did you drop your wallet here?
Oh, yes, that's mine. Thank you.
Excuse me, does this belong to you?
Yes, thank you for giving it back.
Using public transportation. Does this bus go to the downtown area?
Yes, it stops near City Hall.
Is this train going to the airport now?
No, you have to change trains at the next stop.
Can I take this tram to the museum?
Yes, get off at the next stop.
Do you stop at Maple Street today?
Yes, 2 stops from here.
Should I get off at this station now?
Yes, this is your stop.
Where can I buy the bus ticket, please?
At the machine right over there.
Could you tell me the ticket fare, please?
It's $2, please.
Do I need exact change for this bus?
No, you can pay by card.
Where do I validate my ticket, please?
Use the yellow machine there.
How often does the bus arrive here?
every 10 minutes on weekdays.
Does this metro run all night long?
No, service ends at midnight.
How long to Central Station from here?
Just 5 more minutes.
Can I sit in this seat, please?
Sure, it's not taken.
Is this seat available right now?
No one is sitting there.
May I bring this bag with me?
Yes, just keep it close by.
Is there a restroom on this train?
Yes, at the last carriage.
Does this train have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, you can connect anytime.
Can I bring food on this train, please?
Sorry, no, eating is not allowed here.
Do you offer charging ports for phones?
Yes, under every window seats.
Using ride-hailing services. Hi, is this car for John Doe?
Yes, your ride is confirmed.
Hi, are you Jane Doe's driver for this trip?
Yes, I have your booking.
Where should I wait for your car?
Please wait near the entrance.
How many minutes until you arrive?
Around 5 more minutes.
Where are you now, driver?
I'm at the next corner.
Are you close to my location?
Yes, just 2 blocks away.
Can we stop here for a minute?
Sure, just a quick stop.
Could you turn on the air conditioner?
No problem turning it on.
How much is this ride, please?
It's $10 total.
Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, we accept e-wallets.
Is tip included in the fare?
No, tips are optional.
Can you stop here, please?
Yes, we've arrived now.
Thanks. The ride was great.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. Your words will be more professional. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.